Hi guys, it's a rainy day. I'm a gardener and I thought I'm gonna buy a waterproof boots, and I think I made a good deal. I got a good price and I've got a good boots. So let's see. Came from work all day, the pouring rain. As you can see, from half of the top of the shoes, front of the shoes is full wet. You can see it's soaking wet. So let's see what is underneath. I'm gonna take it off and let's see. I'm telling you now, I don't feel wet at all. Don't feel my feet wet at all. Look at that. Nothing at all. It's pour dry, my socks. You can see no color change, nothing. I'm not lying. Nothing here, nothing here. You see the thread, very dry, nothing inside, nothing. So what shoes is this? Made in China. And this shoes is a Mountain Warehouse, their own brand shoes, and I bought it for $29.99. I think it was on sale, or maybe it was the normal price. Amazing, comfortable. However, I bought an insole for this, Scholl gel insole, and as you can see, amazingly waterproof up to here, all the way around. So that was a good buy.